What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We have a drain that is plugged up here in a compactor room. So we're going to try to clear this out. First thing we're going to try is the bamboo plunger. See if we can get it going with this. It's most likely just built up in the trap. Okay. So basically right now we're just letting more water fill up in it, because once we plunge it we want to have the water forcing everything through. So while we're letting that fill up, I want to give a shout out to Watson. They sent me these gloves. They're the Deadliest Catch. They're an insulated glove. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to them. Thank you guys, I really do appreciate it. They didn't ask me to say anything about them. They just sent them to me because they know I like the gloves. All right, so now we're gonna pull the plunger out, let all the water go, and then we're gonna force it down. So some people would actually ask me why I don't just snake that if I can clear it with the plunger. A couple reasons. The snake, especially if it's a situation like this, is just moving inside the trap. It's gonna move some of the stuff out, but when you plunge it, you're actually forcing everything that's in the trap down the line. Now, unless you're gonna vacuum it all out, that's actually gonna be your best bet, and we have the water running to force everything down the line now. So we also have this one here that we're gonna check as well. They said they were having some issues with it. Okay, you guys can see all the debris inside there. All right, so we're gonna grab the hose, we're gonna wash this down, and then we're gonna plunge it as well. All right, here goes. All right. So we're gonna let that run.
Jason.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
How you doing, Jason?
Not too bad. How's it going, Juan?
There's a lot of work there? No? That's good.
Easy, easy.
Okay. Wow. We don't know, right? Maybe a lot of sand, a lot of...
Yeah, it's just sand. It gets in the trap, right? Same thing with that one. I fixed that as well. So everything's good now. All right.
That one too?
Yeah, that one. I thought it was that one at first, and because when I came, I guess they emptied some water there and it was backed up.
Yeah.
And then she showed me this one. I didn't even realize this one. So that one's done. This one's done. Everything's running good.
Thank you.
Did you want to sign?
Yeah, I'll sign
okay.
it for you.
Give me a second. I'll write it up for you.
Well, thank you, Jason.
No problem, brother. No.
If the car back.
Yeah. So the screws, they broke.
Yeah, it's okay.
So it's.
Maybe I didn't know this. That's okay. Fuck. Nobody used this. I don't care.
He's the best.
Thank you.
You're so fast.
Yeah. It's okay to be quick. So both are all done, okay? You too, thank you. So I want to eventually try those gloves while running the snake. I could have done it in there, but I didn't want to. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a Friday. So let's have an easy weekend, an easy week, easy rest of the week, however you guys want to say it. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogna.